21 divided by 3 bracket 5 plus 2 is equal what? Here this 21 divided by this 3 multiply this 5 plus 2 gives us 7. 21 divided by 3 times 7 gives us 21. 21 divided by 21 gives us 1, but it is not correct. Now I will apply PEMDAS rule to solve this math correctly. Here PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, at first we have to work with parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority. For this we have to work left to right. And addition and subtraction have same priority. For this we have to work left to right also. Therefore, at first we have to work with this parenthesis. Here this 21 divided by this 3 multiply this 5 plus 2 gives us 7. According to the order of operation, multiplication and division have same priority and we have to work left to right. Therefore, at first we have to work with this division, then this multiplication. Here 21 divided by 3 gives us 7. Multiply this 7. 7 times 7 gives us 21. And this is correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.